Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix the error you need to authenticate to Microsoft services on Minecraft. So, this error pops up when you try to log in to external servers and realms. When it shows up, the player won't be able to join the server she is trying to join. But don't worry, it's just an authentication problem, so as long as you know your Microsoft account and its password, you're good to go. Here's what you should do. Firstly, try restart the game. Maybe all you need to do is to quickly refresh your game. Try that and see what happens. If the error still occurs, please try to sign out and then log back in. To do that, go to Settings. Scroll down and select Account. Within the account settings, there will be an option to sign out of the player's Microsoft account. Tap on that. Once you've signed out of your account, stay on the same page for a few seconds, and then try signing back in. Make sure to enter the correct Microsoft user ID and password. When you've successfully logged back in, you will be prompted with two options. Either you save to Microsoft account or leave on device. Choose the former. After tapping on Save to Microsoft account, you will be prompted to open the xboxlive.com in a different app. When this happens, click Continue. You will then be prompted if you are trying to sign in to Microsoft PE, iOS. Click Continue, and then type in your Microsoft account username and password. That should do it. The error should no longer pop up after that. Method 3. Check your date-time settings. Wrong date and time will cause the server to refuse to authenticate your account. Therefore, you need to make sure that the date and time on your system is running is correct. Method 4. Stay up to date. Get the latest updates. Running the latest OS and game updates is crucial if you want to be able to access all the Minecraft features when you need to. Method 5. Uninstall and reinstall Minecraft. Before proceeding to reinstall Minecraft, I recommend you to restart your system. After that, if the error still appears, then uninstall and reinstall Minecraft. To do that, open Settings. Select Apps. Select Installed Apps. Scroll down and you will see Minecraft. Click on three dots, then select Uninstall. Restart your PC, then open Microsoft Store or Xbox app to download and reinstall Minecraft. I hope something helps.